Hi, this is Sean from SSMmarketing.tv. Welcome to our TV show. Now, today's TV show is going to be a little bit different. You used to be seeing me in front of the camera. Well, today I've taken a bit of time to get behind the camera. And that's because the concept that I want to teach you over the next few days in these TV shows is actually best for me to illustrate for you in this document that I'm using, rather than actually standing in front of the camera. So please do excuse me as you kind of look at just what I'm showing you now. Now, this is something I've been teaching for the last couple of weeks, and in fact I'm quite excited about it, and I'm calling it the results system. And it's a system and process ensuring that the education that you're getting in internet marketing is actually going to get you results, because you're not watching this video or reading posts on this site if you aren't here to get results. So the process of getting results for you is really important. And in fact, I actually taught this on a webinar on Saturday, and for me, I think it was one of the best concepts that people had been able to see on that webinar. And basically, the results system says that if you want to get results, you must do education plus implementation. And I think a lot of people, when it comes down to internet marketing, spend so much time in education that they don't spend enough time implementing. So when it comes to this actual system or this formula, which part of the formula is the most important part? So for example, if we took education out of this formula, would you still be able to get results? Well, yes, you would. Implementation can equal results. Well, now why you may not get the best results, you will get a result. Now, if we look at it the other way and take implementation out of the formula, if you do just education, can you get results? Well, traditionally, the answer to that is no, because you need to be able to implement your education to get a result. So with that in mind, the most important part of the results system is implementation. And I think a lot of people get this wrong, because a lot of people spend significantly more time on education than they do on implementation. So I have this little rule of thumb that says if I spend 1 hour on education, I must spend at least 1 hour on implementation. And by spending the minimum amount of time, that is the 1 hour on implementation, I can expect the minimum result. But if I want to get a greater result, then I need to spend more time. The more time I spend in implementation, the greater the result that I will get. So over the next few days in this TV show, I'm going to show you how you can track this, and how by purely looking at how much time and where you're spending that time, you can see why you're getting a certain result. So I hope this has been a good intro to the results system for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. This is Sean from SSMmarketing.tv.